Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Waterbury, Vermont. If you're not familiar with Waterbury, it's close to Stowe, the famous ski town here in Vermont. As you can see, I'm at a train station. That's right, it's an Amtrak station. You know what that means. We're going to take on a little tour of the station. Come along with us. Let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
All right, so the sign up here says Visitor Center. You can see there's a ton of cars parked because there's some kind of festival going on over here. It says Visitor Center, entrance, and Amtrak are this way. Here's some watermarks from Tropical Storm Irene, 2011. That means the water was all the way up here. Not very deep, but just the fact that there's that much water here is kind of crazy. So these guys left all their stuff down here. Here's our Waterbury sign. It says no trespassing, no loitering, grounds closed after dark. The visitor center is open 8 to 5 every day. I am here after 5, unfortunately. And you see there's a bench down here. So there is like one outdoor bench. It's long enough to hold 6 people maybe. They left their backpacks there, the guys who walked away. Let's see what's over this way. So this is the platform here. Here's the wheelchair lift enclosure. Like I said, it's become tradition for me to show that. Here's the Amtrak Waterbury sign, and this is your platform. I'm just gonna walk down it for a second. You see there's some residential houses over here, and then there's some sort of businesses on the other side. I don't know what it is, Fastenal or something. That's what a couple of the trucks in the parking lot say. I'm not sure what it is. But this is the platform here. That's basically as far as it goes. So there's not too much to see. But that's basically it. It's the inside of the train station itself, there's not much in there. I'm gonna see if I can peek in. I don't know, there's a lot of people lingering around here, so I'm not exactly sure how it is, but we'll see. All right, so the people that were here came back and got their stuff. This is the visitor center here. Like I said, it's only open 8 to 5. That's what it looks like inside. I don't think it really has much to do with the train station as much as it does just Waterbury. I think there is some train related stuff in there as well, but I don't think it's only a train museum. I'm just gonna walk around the entire building, the perimeter, so you guys can see it and get a good look. In this direction here, I'm not sure what's there. It just says visitor center parking, but I don't know what else is there besides that. Then on this end of the train station, you can see it's the Black Cap Coffee and Bakery of Vermont. Let me show that. So they do use part of the old train station. That's what this part is right here. I don't know if it's even open, but that's what it's here now at the train station. That's pretty cool. How you guys doing? And I'm basically just walking around the other side here. Hi. And that's basically it. I'm right back to where I started. This is going to wrap up our quick visit here to the Waterbury Amtrak. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Share this with anybody you know who likes Amtraks, like train station stuff. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Have you ever taken the train through or to Waterbury? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, safe travels. Hope to see you on the rails. I'm just glad it's not raining. All these stations, it's been raining every time. I'm happy I'm out and it's actually kind of sunny out. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.